Delete your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you want to delete your YouTube channel, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing you need to do is that open up your YouTube website. Then once you are inside your YouTube website, you need to scroll down from the left and click onto this settings option. Then under the settings option, you can see this advanced settings at the bottom. So click onto the advanced settings. Then under the advanced settings, at the very last, you can see the delete channel. Deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. So if you want to delete your channel, click onto this delete channel option. And then it will ask you for the password of your Gmail account. So simply enter the punch key or any verification key if you have said so. So once you have verified, the verification process be completed, and once that will be done, you have a further option which says hide or delete your content from YouTube. So either you can choose to hide or delete the YouTube content for this particular channel. So if you want to just hide your content, you can choose this option. And if I open this up, you can see that the following videos will be made private and the followings will not be hidden. So if you only want to hide your content, then you can choose this option. Or if you permanently want to delete your YouTube channel, then you can choose this particular option. So if you want to delete this, you can simply click on this particular check mark. And the other option is that any paid subscriptions that you own will be cancelled. You will still have access until the end of your billing cycle. So then you need to click onto this particular option as well, and then click onto the delete my content option. Now here you need to type in your channel name. So once you have typed in your channel name, you need to click onto the delete my content button, and here you can see that the content is currently being deleted, and once that will be done, it will let us know. So once that will be done, the YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, do make sure to drop a like. Tell us in the comments if that worked for you or not, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.